Hello everybody. Today we are going to continue our work with Unit 5 Communication, and in today's lesson we are going to talk about the future. Now we are going to take the future symbol using will plus infinitive. Okay, we have many forms of the future. Okay, we can use will plus infinitive, can use am, is, are, going to plus infinitive, present simple and present continuous. Okay, but today we are going to talk about future using will plus infinitive and going to. Okay, let's show the difference between the usage of future using will and going to. Will is used for prediction with no evidence, which is based on guesswork. Okay, so when you say we will probably be there for about 5 or 6 days. Okay, so you guess that. Okay, you don't have a certain idea about how many days will it take. So we say we will probably be there for about 5 or 6 days. Okay, he will say he will win the first prize as I think he is clever. Okay, so it is just a guessing. This is for number 1. And number 2, we use will plus infinitive when we want to express a fact. Okay, a future fact. You say I will be 47 next year. Okay, I will be 47 next year. So it's a fact in the future. Okay. And number 3, when you want to express a quick decision, you also use will plus infinitive. Okay, so I say my phone is ringing. I will answer my phone is raining now, and my quick decision is to answer the phone. Okay, so I will answer it. Okay, and when you offer or make a request, okay, you use will plus infinitive. So, will you open the door for me, please? Will you open the door for me, please? Okay, so you ask someone to open the door for you, so you use will. And when you offer something, you say I will lend you the money you need, don't worry. I will lend you the money you need, don't worry. So you offer to lend your friend some money, and here you use will. Okay. And number 5, when you want to threaten or promise someone, okay, to do something for him, you say if you pass the exam, I will get you a nice present. If you pass the exam, okay, I will get you a nice present. Okay, so this is a promise. Okay, and when you want to threaten someone, you say, for example, I'll call the police if you do this bad thing again. I'll call the police if you do this bad thing again. And here we have some words to use with will. We can use will with present evidence with adverbs like probably, definitely, certainly, surely. Okay, So in this example we say, look at those dark clouds, it will probably rain. Okay, look at those dark clouds, it will probably rain. So here you use present evidence and use the adverb probably after will. And we can use will with the following words: promise, expect, predict, hope, think, believe, perhaps, I'm sure. Okay. Scientists predict that we will live on the moon in the future. Scientists predict that. Okay, so we have the verb predict. So when you see this verb here in the sentence, for sure you use will. Okay, and the other example, I'm sure we will be happy when we finish our exams. I'm sure we will be happy. Sure and will. Okay. And now let's start to use be going to. Okay. So what's the difference here? What do we use be going to for? Number one, for future plans, decisions, and intentions. When we say, I'm going to buy some clothes online this afternoon, okay, this is your intention, okay. And why are you turning on the TV? And he replies, I'm going to watch the news. I'm going to watch the news, okay. And you also use going to express predictions with evidence. With evidence. Concentrate here as we use going with predictions with evidence, but when we use will, okay, we have no evidence, okay. In the example we say, look at this advert. The phone company is going to introduce a new flexible smartphone. Okay, is going to. Here there is an evidence. She is pregnant. She is going to have a baby. She is pregnant. She is going to have a baby. Okay. We have a strong evidence here as she is pregnant. We can use going to with the following. When you see this word, you use going to. When you see plan, intend, intention, have decided, and have made a decision. So, in the example, I am going to study medicine. That's my plan. I'm going to study medicine. That's my plan. So, when we see the word or the verb also plan, okay, we use going to plus infinitive. I have decided to travel. I am going to travel to London. And concentrate with me with the next example. Watch out, you are going to fall in the hole. Okay, watch out, you are going to fall in the hole. Okay, and the other one, watch out or you will be robbed. Okay, in the first one here, when you say watch out, you are going to fall in the hole, okay, I think you are about to fall. You are really about to fall. But in the other example, watch out or you will be robbed, okay, I warn you, okay, from something that may happen to you, okay? And now we finished using going to, and let's move to some exercises to make sure that you understood that. The first one, it's predicted that ordinary people on space holidays in the next 50 years are going to go, will be going. So when you see the verb predict, and here you use will, okay, will go. Number 2, I'm sure it space an exciting match tomorrow. Is going to be, is being, will be. And as we use I'm sure, here we should use will be. It will be an exciting match. I expect that Ahmad space to school next year. Will go, goes, go, has gone. Also here, when you see the verb expect, you use will. So the answer is will go. That wins space 17 next week. What presents will we buy for them? Turns, is going to turn, will turn. Here, that wins will turn 17 because it's a future fact. Will turn 17. And the last one, I space hire car to travel around London. That's my intention. I'm going to, may, would, will. And when I see the word intention, surely I use I'm going to. Hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.